rise. Had sharing there looking crazy. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now before I get into the wrap of it all, I wrap my wig. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a pre-cut wig, okay? So if you are not here for the pre-cut joints, go ahead and skedaddle now. You stayed? Okay, let's get into it then. So a 7x5 pre-cut yak wig is what we're styling today. I'm going to be doing a wrap on my wig. That's the plan. But first I need to prep my wig and get her ready. I need to give it a little spray down because I'm not going to wash it. Because I'm lazy, okay, and I actually want to go meet Ken for lunch while he's on a break, so I want to hurry up. I'm going to spray her down with my little concoction, okay, my little hoe bath, some water and some dry shampoo, but I don't have that, so I'm using my hair freshener. I got a little bit in there. Come on, give me a little something. The wig actually didn't smell that bad, so you know, I can get away with this, but I also have my hair perfume somewhere in here. There it is. So if I need to use that, I will. It does have some bleaching around the parting area, but as far as like, you know, the rest of the wig is not like, you know, heavy bleaching. You can tint the lace if you choose to. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. I'm gonna darken it up a little bit, especially around the edge. They don't wanna work, so I gotta put the band in myself. Beauty Forever. It's alright. It does have 2 hooks for the elastic band. I'm going to put it on the last hook just to make sure she's going to be secure around my ear. It does come with the cutout around the ear, so for the girls who wear glasses, hello. It gives a real comfort fit around the head as well as giving that comfort fit around the nape and the side, so you can give a little bit more coverage back here. Let me take off the straps in the back. I feel like it's going to be a little snug. Put that on. Ooh, brought my wig cap up. Hold up, hold up. I don't want my hair to rise. I rise. What movie is that? Oh, Beauty Shop. Had Sharon there looking crazy. I'm glad I took off those straps because she is snug. This is how we're looking to the sides. Very comfortable. Tuck this down. This hair is looking real bouncy already. Some layers are going to do this justice. They did send me the Bye Bye Knots tape. Okay, so if you want to use this around your wig to secure it down to your head, you can definitely do that. I have tried this lace tape with this brand before, and it works if you want it to work. I don't want it to work because I just don't like this for me. It's just not the security that I want for my wigs personally, but I do know some of y'all do like this tape. I today will be spraying my wig down because like I said, I want to do a wrap. Let me just get my hairs down the way that I want. The hairline is plucked, but it's a little like, it can be a little short looking. Use my Esha melt spray. Just blow dried it on cool real quick. Let me not scrunch my forehead up. Just give me the melt. All right, see how I'm kind of just swirling the edges like this? Kind of bring down a little bit of hairs at a time. I don't need any on my side because it cuts back a little bit. As usual, one side is always better. They did send me a band, so let's put that on. The hair, as you can see, is pretty natural looking in density. Let me pull it. I'm getting like maybe 1 strand at a time when I pull. With that being said, Beauty Forever, the wigs that you send out should not be shedding like that. She does shed. I'm just gonna do some layers really quick. Comes about to my chest. I think I'm gonna cut it about right here first. Now how you cut your wigs is up to you, okay? And I want this layer to be about right here. So cut down at an angle. I'm gonna take it from by my ear, so about right here. Take off a little bit on the end, not much. I fix up what I need to fix up. I think we are good for the most part. The cut is a little janky, but hopefully the curls will save me. Okay, put it on 385. Gonna try to use this little chi curler. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. I bought this joint a while ago. It has a learning curve, and it was a curve that I could not get. So we are trying it out again. All you're supposed to do is be able to put it into the into the curler and let the curler do its thing. I got this joint because of my girl Amir, and she be using this thing all the time. Now it says you're supposed to do 1-inch pieces, put it in between here, and then you curl it the direction you want it to go. So I want it to go away from me, this side towards your head. So this way, okay, like that. Nope, got it tangled. I gotta let it go, that's why. Okay, reset, here we go. So don't hold it when you put it in there. When you start turning it, you gotta let it go. And then you just release it. Uh-oh. Maybe if I spray it first with the hairspray. That learning curve, I'm trying. You just hold it until it beeps. Really? I guess so. Because I can only use 1-inch sections, this is taking a little bit longer to curl than I would like. Y'all know I'm a bump and go type of girl, so I do like my bigger curling irons for these type of looks. Lay and twist. You don't gotta wait for the beep. You can take it off whenever you want, depending on how loose or tight you want the curl. I'm just leaving mine on until the beep because I'm gonna be wrapping my hair, and I wanna leave some of the bump in the wig. So we're gonna spray, lay the curler towards your head, lay, press, and curl. It doesn't tangle. If it gets snagged up, it will beep, and then you'll just hold the power button to reset it. Before I wrap the wig, let me take off the band, pull this down, brush back what I don't need. Looking pretty decent. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb, and I'm gonna wrap this wig. Okay. Wrap. Because it is long, I need to make sure I can get it all the way around. Keep on wrapping. I'll get my brush in a second. Keep on wrapping. Let me get this pin right here. Pin that one. Okay, keep going around. Pin this right here. And then just pin this in the back. Let's go ahead and wrap it down. Tight. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then we will come back, unwrap, and go to lunch. Okay, I had this joint on for like an hour. I had to go get my son from football practice, and I completely forgot, so let's take this off. Okay, we got the wrap. Got the wrap, real cute. Ooh, she flat. Here we go, comb it out. Comb it out. Ooh, let me just get my hair pulled back, get my hairline down the way I need her to be. Trim some of these hairs in the front. Let me tint my lace a little bit around the front. Get my contour. Just tint this around here. Move that around. She looking good. I need to blend that in a little bit more. She a little sharp. Has a nice bump to it. Y'all see my curls are gone, but I like the wrap look, so I ain't worried about it. Put a little bit more of my milk chocolate powder in here just to kind of tint it a tad bit more. And I think that is it for the look. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. She does shed a little bit more than I thought she did, especially when I was going in to comb and brush her. So hopefully I don't get any more shedding than what I've already gotten, and we can go on and keep this wig density the way she is. For a pre-cut 7x5, it's blended into my hairline really nicely. My cut looks real good with the wave. Okay, straight, she look a little iffy, but with the little bump, she looking good. Come on, bundles, let's go. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.